Hello everyone, this tutorial will guide you on how to set up regional EEWS function of PX01 and Cube via config file. Here's an architecture diagram. There are two categories of PX01 and Cube set up via config file. We have talked about the on-site function in other videos, so we'll guide you about the regional EEWS function in this video. And please refer to our previous video for on-site setup. So before we start, please switch on PX01 or Cube and press the function button for 1 second, and the IP address will be displayed on the screen. If you have any questions about PX01 or Cube, please refer to the PX01 unboxing and Cube unboxing, or how to set up on-site function of PX01 and Cube via config file videos. And now, let's move on to the setup. First of all, please enter the IP of PX01 in the browser. Here's a friendly reminder. We recommend you to use Google Chrome browser, then it will lead you to the login page. You can choose your preferred language down here. For first-time users, please change the password. Second, select Factory Config from the side menu and click Download below Config. You will get a valert8.cfg file which includes all the parameters setting. Third, open the config file. Please remove the # before the parameters of which you want to enable. The input setting is the same for both on-site and regional EEWS. Please refer to the on-site function videos for more information. Next, let's take a look at relay setting. The on-site setup and regional EEWS setup are the same for single relay mode, relay blink mode, relay control by error, relay reset by manual. If you would like to know more about them, please refer to other videos. We have introduced the settings of relay 1 gale to relay 4 gale and relay intensity in the on-site function video. So now we keep on to the functions of EEWS relay 1 intensity to EEWS relay 4 intensity and EEWS hold seconds, which is for regional EEWS function. EEWS relay 1 intensity to EEWS relay 4 intensity. This function is for setting up threshold for intensity when event occurred. The unit is a magnitude. EEWS hold seconds. This function is to set up duration time for activated relay. The default is 20. The setting of voice alarm function and broadcast are the same as on-site. Please refer to the on-site function videos for more information. Let's move on to the EEWS setting. EEWS server's IP. This function displays the source of server. You can connect to CWB or Sanlien server to receive regional EEWS alarm. Maximum setup is 5 units. CWB user ID and CWB user password. Please enter the user ID and user password below the options. Local longitude, local latitude, and height. Please enter the longitude, latitude, height of the location of the Peller Plus below these 3 options. Site effect. For the site effect, please contact our FAE for more information. Great! Now we have completed the regional EEWS function setup of PX01 and Cube via config file. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlien.com. For more information, please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlien Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.